Av-DEC Injectable Sealant Sealed Fastener Installation. Always follow the current maintenance manual and/or technical service document prior to performing maintenance. Inspect surfaces that will come in contact with Av-DEC sealant material and take corrective action based on current maintenance manual requirements. Clean area where sealant is to be applied with a solvent-dampened cloth followed by a clean dry cloth to remove any remaining paint, dust, grease, fingerprints, or any other contamination prior to installation. Ensure panel to be fastened is in place and the holes in the panel and structure line up. Prior to using Av-DEC sealant, check expiration date on outer packaging. Inside the package you will find preparation instructions, sealant cartridge, and 2 mixing straws. Place rectangular flange of dual cartridge into grooves on top of dispenser and slide cartridge into place. Lower cartridge retainer over flange of cartridge until it locks in place. Remove cartridge nose plug. Attach mixing straw to cartridge by inserting over cartridge tip and rotating a 4th turn clockwise until locked. Proper priming is critical for product performance. Hold sealant dispenser with mixing straw upright. Completely fill mixing straw by squeezing trigger of dispenser. Over a suitable waste container with mixing straw pointing upward at a 45-degree angle and resin side over hardener side, prime mixing element by dispensing 1 full trigger pull of sealant into waste container to remove air bubbles from the cartridge. Keeping the mixing straw point upward at a 45-degree angle, rotate the cartridge 180 degrees so that hardener side is over resin side and dispense 1 more trigger pull of sealant into the waste container to remove air bubbles from the opposite side of the cartridge. Once priming is complete, dispense sealant immediately, as sealants can begin to gel inside the mixing straw. If dispensing is halted for more than 30 seconds, install a new mixing straw on the sealant cartridge and reprime. Using Av-DEC Injectable Sealant, thoroughly coat the fasteners. Insert coated fasteners into fastener hole locations. Tighten and torque fasteners in accordance with current maintenance manual specifications. Using an isopropyl alcohol soaked cloth, clean up any remaining Av-DEC injectable sealant followed by a clean dry cloth. Note: alternate fastener sealing method. Fill fastener holes in panel completely full of self-leveling green. Insert fasteners into fastener holes in panel. Tighten and torque fasteners in accordance with the current maintenance manual specifications. Using an isopropyl alcohol soaked cloth, clean up any remaining Av-DEC injectable sealant followed by a clean dry cloth.